Harrison, what do you see? Is that a giraffe?
See this mama over there. I see downstairs over there.
That one's dead?
Yeah.
Do you like them or are they scary?
The smaller it is, the harder it is. Come down here.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Good job.
You want to do? You want to do one more, Harrison?
Hey, buddy. Okay, eat it. Go feed the other area.
Let's go feed the other area. What did you
Literally,
give him?
it was so cool.
What did you give him?
Man, it was so cool.
What
That's
kind of
did
food?
pretty good feeding them.
Green
Yeah?
food?
What color
Was it
tongues do
salad?
they have?
Black.
Black tongues.
Yeah, like blackish blue.
Salad for the giraffes? Salad for the giraffes. That's right. That's cool.
That actually salad.
Hey. Got some lettuce.
I just love giraffes. Like, they're so cute and funny.
Ooh, look at those things.
Your toys? Just like your toys.
Look at him.
Here we go, buddy. He's gonna get him.
They're mean.
It says wow.
What is it? What is it though?
A lion.
Yeah.
Go penguin.
He's good. Waddle, 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 waddle. Putting his wings out.
Whoa. He wants to fly.
He says, oh,
Okay, I'm coming. Hippopotamus. It's like a Slurpee, like at 7-Eleven.
yeah. Not the hippopotamus. It's a hippo.
Looks a lot like a furry human.
He's like, look at my butt.
It's under your arm. He's so cute.
Oh, the baby's missing. The baby's missing on the. I mean, they are my favorite animals, so I am really fascinated by them. A friendly neighborhood
That's
friend.
what's that. It's almost feeding time.
Listen, do you see that stuff that she's feeding? It's called meat.
No, keep going.
You can have obviously the orangutans.
Still the orangutan.
I like that.
Mm-hmm.
Let me.
They licked you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, he wants his mommy.
Oh, he wants his mommy? Aww.
That guy needs his mommy? You go in the elevator?
It's called a chairlift.
A challenge.
All right, let's go. To the giraffes over there?
Up, 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 up. Hi, Jeff.
Hi, Hi, giraffes.
Little giraffes.
Yeah.
And like skin.
Yeah.
It's a video.
I know.
Oh.
You have to be very careful. Grab onto that.
Nice, Braxton.
Oh, Lord. I almost lost him.
Wow. Wow.
You want to say roar? I think he's tired. He doesn't need to say roar right now.
Ellie.
Big one.
That's a big one.
So that's pretty old, but she's doing really good. These elephants mainly
That
on
one's
older
33,
non-reproductive
and there's one down there
and
that's
giving them the best possible care that we can
46.
give them.
Wow, that's old.
So welcome to Grizzly Falls, the home of Emmett and Digger, some of the best grizzly bears on the planet. Now, in just a moment, I'm going to open up the door behind me. There is
It was very neat, wasn't it?
You were so close to him.
Well, it's the closest you could probably ever get to a grizzly bear. Don't get that close to one when we're camping. Yeah.
Zoo?
What's your favorite animal at the zoo?
It's